Hey, good morning po sa inyo lahat yan. Maraming salamat sa mga subscribers natin, sa mga silent subscribers, sa mga sumusuporta ng ating vlog, at nagbibigay ng panibagong pag-asa. Ang ngayon po pala, gagawa tayo ng mga video na ginawa natin sa school, no? Yung mga batang gagamitin natin, papanood po ninyo kung paano po sila mag-weather forecaster. Katawagin po natin silang alias Mang Tani. Balang araw meron pong papalit kay Mang Tani.
Good morning, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I am Irito Live, your weather reporter from ACT News. I hope you are all doing fine. Now, let's take a look at the Typhoon Lester. As of now, the Typhoon Lester is still outside the country. But if the Typhoon Lester landfall inside the Philippines, the Visayas and Mindanao will be affected. Today, the signal number 1 are in Northern Samar, Eastern Samar, Biliran, Leyte, Southern Leyte, Bohol, Northern and Central portion of Cebu. While the typhoon is still outside the country, we need to ready ourselves. We really need to know the public storm warning signal for us to be ready. Signal number 1. The wind is 30 to 60 km per hour, which is no damage to very light damage. Intermittent rains may be expected in at least 36 hours. When the tropical cyclone develops very close of an area, a shorter lead time of the occurrence of the winds will be specified in the warning bulletin. Signal number 2, the wind is 61 to 120 km per hour, which is slight to moderate damage. Some coconut trees may tilt. Some of them may break. Few big trees may be uprooted. Many banana plants may be down. Rice and corn crops may be affected. A large number of houses made of light materials may be unroofed. All galvanized iron roofing may be built up. Signal number 3. The wind is 121 to 170, which is moderate to heavy damage. Many coconut trees may be broken or destroyed. Almost all banana plants may be down, and a large number of trees may be unroofed. Rice and corn crops may be suffer heavy losses. Majority of light materials houses may be unroofed or destroyed. There may be considerable damage to structures of light to medium construction. There may be widespread disruption of electrical power and communication. Signal number 4. The wind is 171 to 220, which is heavy to very heavy damage. Coconut plantation may suffer extensive damage. Many large trees may be unroofed. Rice and corn plantation may suffer severe losses. Most residential and installation buildings of mixed construction may be severely damaged. Electrical power distribution and communication service may be severely disrupted. Lastly, the signal number 5. The wind is more than 220, which is very heavy to widespread cause total damage to structures of light materials, especially in highly exposed coastal areas, complete roof failure on many buildings, severe and extensive window and door damage. Most residential and institutional building of mixed construction may be severely damaged. Electrical power distribution and communication service severely disrupted. All signboards blow down. Total damage to banana plantation. Most tall trees are broken. Unroot or defoliate coconut trees are stopped, broken. Few plants and trees survive. That's the weather forecaster for today. I am Hayrita Lahib and I believe always be ready for always be safe. Now, signing off.
Breaking news here at SBS Broadcasting Network.
The low pressure area is being monitored by Pag-asa near Aurora, intensified into severe tropical storm earlier this morning. It was named Super Typhoon Barok. Several areas are now under public storm warning signal number 4 with a maximum sustained wind of 171 to 220 km per hour and a gustiness of 210 km. These areas include Nueva Ecija, Aurora, Bulacan, Tarlac, Zambales, and the rest of Central Luzon. Public storm warning signal number 3 with a maximum sustained wind of 121 to 170 km per hour. These are the areas in Region 2 and the National Capital Region. Public storm warning signal number 2 with a maximum sustained wind of 61 to 120 km per hour. These areas include Cavite, Laguna, Baguio, La Union, and Benguet. Public storm warning signal number 1 with a maximum sustained wind of 30 to 60 km per hour. These areas include the rest of Region 4A and Region 1. Public storm warning signals are expected to experience within the next 24 hours. The affected areas are reminded to be ready at all times. And that's the latest weather report this morning. Please stay tuned for the next weather update at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. For more updates, please follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media platforms. This is JD Charm Gonzalez reporting.
I am Janine May Salimang Baldosa, your reporter. Area of responsibility today at 2 p.m. on June 14, 2022 based on the June 16, 2022 2 p.m. weather advisor issued by the Philippines Atmospheric Geographical Astronomical Service Administration Pag-asa. The eye of Typhoon Shalom is located 155 km east of Cuban Sorsogon, moving 15 km per hour. It is expected to make landfall in Sorsogon, Albay, Catanduanes, and Camarines Sur between 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. tonight, June 16. Storm signal warning number 3 has issued for the whole Bicol region, Romblon, and portion of Quezon Province. Again, Philippines, I'm Janine May Salimang Baldosa serving you the news that is concrete and advocate.
Shoutout nga po pala sa inyo lahat dyan. Ingat-ingat po lang tayo lagi. Shoutout po kay Ivy Rose Velasco Hipolito. Shoutout lahat po sa inyo dyan. Sa lahat na nakakapanood ng aking video, shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Maraming po salamat and God bless us all. See you my next video.